It's been a while, so I thought I'd do a quick portfolio update. This is my Trading 212 Stocks ISA account. It now stands at £104,307. It was almost £110,000 a week ago. My biggest position, Tesla, surged in price after earnings. It has dropped off quite a bit, almost wiping 5,000 off my portfolio. This is the price of owning Tesla. Tesla is almost 40% of my portfolio, so if it goes up and down, it makes quite a significant difference. I expect it to surge again if Donald Trump wins the election. If he doesn't, I expect more downside. I've invested about 89,000. It shows nearly 92,000 here. This doesn't include dividends that have been transferred over from a previous platform. So really, it's over 15,000 in the green, which is great. I started a new position in an ETF from JP Morgan, the Global Equity Premium Income Active, ticker symbol JEPG. All thanks to this viewer here. After looking into it, I decided to take the plunge. I sold out of JEPI as I can no longer buy it in the UK after regulations changed. Now I've added a similar ETF that pays monthly dividends with a high yield. The ETF has a lot of stocks I have no exposure to, including T-Mobile, United Health and Berkshire Hathaway. Although 65.5% of the stocks in the ETF are US-based, 10.7% is Japanese, and then we've got Germany at 5.2%, France 3.6%, and so on. So it covers a lot of the world, plus a good spread of industries as well. The ETF was only launched in November 2023. Since its inception, there has been some price appreciation, plus we have nearly a year's worth of dividend payment history. The JEPG funds current market cap is $316.59 million. JP Morgan is the largest bank in the US and the largest bank in terms of market cap worldwide. Based on previous history, this ETF should continue to grow. Although not every ETF is a home run, I did check to see if JP Morgan had closed any ETFs before. The results did show these: JP Morgan Sustainable Consumption ETF and the JP Morgan Social Advancement ETF. So that is something to take into consideration when investing. When an ETF closes, it does take some time to go through the liquidation process. If you do own the stocks at the time of the ETF delisting, you will receive the cash equivalent value of the fund's assets at the time of sale, not the value of the final closing price on the last day of trading. Moving on, in terms of dividends, this is what I received from October. I received £27.48 from Coca-Cola, a measly 2p from Nvidia, £18.68 from Main Street Capital, £18.75 from Realty Income, and £16.40 from JP Morgan. This takes the total to £81.33. In terms of year on year, I'm down from the previous year, but I expect that to change after adding the monthly dividend payer. I missed the ex-dividend cut-off for October's payment. I've now surpassed 2023, up to £1,230.49, with still 2 months to go. In terms of buys, I've mainly been adding to my ETFs, plus reinvesting any dividends that have come through. The individual stock I've still been buying is Visa, which now takes up 2.74% of my portfolio. I'm almost at 13 shares now, my target is 100. Visa is a stock I truly believe in. The past performance metrics are amazing. I've talked about it in previous videos, so I'm not going to bang on about it, but I will leave the metrics here. So that wraps it up for this month. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.